Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to match this 3x3 Rubik's cube. So this is the tutorial for beginners, plus this is very easy too. Well, you can match this cube very fast after learning this tutorial. So let's start. Look, so here's my cube. So before we start, I will tell you some important things about this. So first we will make this the bottom and this the top for our today's lesson. So let's go. Now for the first step, we will make the white cross which will be on the bottom. So this is the easiest step, and I will make this more easy for you guys, not hard. So let's start. For first, find all the white edges. These are called edges and these are corners, and this is the middle piece. So find all white edges. Here are two edges. Let's bring it here. Alright, now it's a line, and now for these two edges. Let's find the two edges. There's one edge and there's another one. So let's bring it here. Here it is, and for this one, this. Here. The white cross is done. Now our next step is to make these matches. We need to match these colors. Orange does not match, red does not match, green matches, and blue does not match. So our step is to match first in line. Here we matched orange and blue. These two didn't match, we don't need this. So this is the first algorithm for the cross colors. So now we done it. Now to go for these two. So for this we will do one algorithm and this will be done. We need to see that these two colors match. Alright, so to the orange ones, right, do this, up, right, down, left, up, and look, all colors matched. You can rewind the video and see this again if you need. For the second algorithm, there will be a very easy one. So you need to do this. This one will be here and this one will be behind that. So these two won't match. So let's do it. Go in the middle of these two. Up, left, left, down, right, right, up, left. And now do it one more time and look, all colors matched. That is the easiest algorithm. So now we've matched these all corners, the edges and the colors. Let's match the corners now. For this we will do the F12 method, which is a little bit hard, but you guys can do it. So for that we will need to make the bottom upside down, and now match it. Watch it like this. Look, first red and green. We will bring it red and green here, and here will be white. So for that we need to first match all the corners. Find all the corners that match with the three colors and then bring it here with one easy thing. Alright, so first blue, red and white. Find the blue, red and white. Here it is, blue, red, white. So look, the white is upwards, so we gotta do this method 2 times. 1, 2, 3. Do this until this is matched. This one is matched. Look, this one is the same. We'll do it later. Look, this one's like this. So it will be better to do this from the opposite side of the white. It will go on 1 time. And look, if you do it from 2 times. If you do this from here, it will need to be done many times, 1 2 3 4 5, and then this will be matched. So it's better to do this from this side. 1, this will make you do this quick. And now for this side, red green, here it is, red green white. So do this like I told you before, opposite of white, and done. Let's complete the other ones like this too. Done. And look, all corners are matched. First layer is completed. Now for these edges, will need the F12 method now. So what you need to do is find all the edge pieces on the top side which don't have yellow. If the top side have yellow, that won't be needed. This doesn't have any yellow, so look, orange needs to go to orange. Look, the top part is blue now and this is blue. So this, for this F12 method, you need only one algorithm. So let's do it. Bring it to the left side. While blue is at the right side, take it to the left side, the opposite side of blue, and then do this one. Let me explain how I did this. Green and orange. Orange is this side, orange is at the top. So take it to the opposite side and then do this algorithm. Up, right, down, and this is completed. Up, right, down, and this is completed. Well, these are at lines. You need to bring these two to here, like this. For rotation, take it this part. Well, these are here, you can't do it here, so bring it at the right side and then do this algorithm. Up, left, down, and then it will get inserted. So now for the other ones too, these all are the same algorithms. See how I do it here. Now for the last ones, done. Now the second layer is completed, and now for the top layer. Now let's go for the top layer. For that, first we need to match the yellow cross, just in the way we did white, but this time we can do it any way we want. This time we will need to do one algorithm, and that's the last algorithm I taught you guys for matching these corners. That is called 4 moves. Look, this needs some algorithms. When it's like this half plus shape, then you need to find this one. If you like to do this from this side, left-handed, then do this from left side. And if you're used with the right-handed version, then do this like this. First rotate this, and now do the 4 moves, 1 2, and then re-rotate it, and look, the cross is made. Now for the second algorithm, look, this time there's a line. This one is easier than before. In the last time you needed to do the 4 moves 2 times, and now you need to do this 1 time. Rotate 1 time and re-rotate. Done. The cross is made. Now for the third algorithm. This time none of the edges are matched. This one will be quite hard but easier too. First, look, we need to make the half cross. For that, bring it from any side. You can do from this side, or this side, anywhere you like. 1 time and then re-rotate. The half cross is made. Then do the second algorithm. The first algorithm I taught you guys. 1 2 and done. The cross is made. Now for the color matching of the top corners, it's like the last one of the white corners, color matching. The second algorithm that I taught you guys remember or not, that is that way. So Let me show you how. This one matches, this one matches, this one and this one does not. So this time don't go to the right side, go to the left side this time. Left side of the blue. Alright, so now do this move. Alright, up, left, down, left, up, right, right, down, left. And look, all colors matched. Okay, now for the last step, the step before the last step. Alright, so look, we need to match these corners now. So here, look, these ones look unsolved, but these two look solved. These are at right place but unsolved. These are at wrong place and unsolved. So for this one, there will be some algorithms which are kind of hard, but we'll do it. Alright, so let's do it. When you have only one of these at right place but unsolved, then do this one. Up, left, up, right, down, left, down, right. So let's do this one. Look, we will start from here. Left, up, left, down, right, down. Another time. Left, up, left, down, right, down. And look, all are solved at right places. Now for the final step. Bring it upside down, and now what you need to do is the 4 moves that I taught you guys before. Look, do the 4 moves from one place, but do this until this is solved. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is solved. Don't go like this, go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is solved. Now again like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look, this is solved. These might be different, the corners, but that doesn't matter. What you gotta do is the same thing at every time, and from this you will learn how to match it. So if you like the video, then like and subscribe, because it was hard for me to make a tutorial video, but well, I made this for you guys to learn. So if you liked it and if it was easy, then like and subscribe and share and comment. And if you have any problem or question, then comment. I will tell you in the comments. Bye.